Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss how you can create shareable quizzes from Markdown files. So if you have a Markdown files, you can just upload it and you can convert it into shareable quizzes. Okay, so before that I want to explain you how you can sign up and how you can log in on this website. So this is the landing page. So when you will visit doctoquiz.com like this, you just need to either log in or sign up as a teacher or student. So if you're a teacher, if you want to share your quizzes with your students, you would need to sign up as a teacher. So if you're a teacher, you will see dashboard like this. This is teacher dashboard. And if you're a student, you will see dashboard like this. This is student dashboard. But I already signed up as a teacher. So I just click on teacher dashboard. And now I click on create quiz. And I will click to upload my Markdown file here. And I will create a quiz here. So now I'm just going to upload my Markdown file here. So now you can see I am on my file explorer and I want to select this file. I will click on it and I can open it. Now this is Markdown file that ends with .md extension. Okay, now it is showing here and I will click on next step. You can see it is Markdown file. You can add more files if you have. You can upload a text file, you can upload PDF, PPT or any type of files. I will click on next tab and I can define how many questions I want. Right now I need only 5 questions. I want to make it hard and the pass percentage will be 30% and test duration will be only 5 minutes. So it means only 30% marks of students will be passed, or otherwise if they get less than 30% they would be failed. Okay, so after that I can assign points to each question. So I want 5 points to each question, and I can after that I can add some instructions to AI, but right now I don't need any instructions. I can skip this language because right now I need this in English. Okay, and I can set deadline. So deadline is only 1 day right now, so I can select it 1 day, and after that I can randomize questions order and I can click on review, and now I can click on generate quiz. So it will generate a quick quiz for me, and after that I will explain you what steps are next to share this quiz to your students. Okay, quiz has been generated. You can see now you can, if you need any if you want to make any edits, you can edit question, you can delete the questions, but right now quiz is okay. So the next step is to publish, and after that we will create a class and we will assign that quiz to a class. So just let's make it publish. I will upload a cover image here. So I will upload my cover image, or I can just generate the cover image with the help of AI. You can see the AI option is there as well, but right now I have already cover image, so I can select cover images from my file explorer. Okay, so I will select this random image and I will click on upload or publish quiz. So now I selected publish quiz. Now my quiz would be published in few seconds and I would be able to share this quiz with any of the class. Now you can see this quiz has been published. You can see all the dashboard, the leaderboard. You can see the test configuration. You can click on edit test to make any changes, or you can just see how many assigned classes are in this test. Okay, so here you can see performance and submissions, and here you can see questions. Here you can see enrolled students, and here you can see share and QR code. So the first step is completed. We have created a quiz, we have make it published. Now our quiz has been published. Now the next step is to create a class, create a group or create a class. So I already have some classes, but I want to make a new class. So that would be like text class, so whatever you want. So this is your student class. Okay, or you can just make it like this products class. Okay, so after that you just need to click on create, and now our second step is also completed, that is creating a class. Now we have created a group, we have created a quiz, we have created a class. Now we just need to assign the quiz to a class. So to assign the quiz to a class, what you need to do, you just need to click on this assign test button here. Okay, and here you can select the quiz that you want to assign. So I clicked on that. Now I can copy the link, and this is the link for the test that you can share with your students or share with your friends, or they want to join. Okay, and after that I can close. Now if I click on assign test, you can see this class has one assigned test. You can add more tests here, but right now I just did one. So now if you open this test, okay, here is the leaderboard for that test, and now you can see this has one class, that is product class, that we just assigned. And here you can click on share and QR code. You can click on that class and you can get the share link or share a QR code or WhatsApp message or Telegram. So you can easily copy the message and share on to social media platforms easily. So this is how this website works. So the first step you need to do is create a quiz. The second step, you need to create a class. The third step is to assign a test on that class and copy the link and share it with your students. Okay, if you don't want to share the link or QR code, if you want to share the post message like social media message, WhatsApp message, you can just go to test, okay, and click on view, and here you can scroll down and click on share and QR code, select a class you want to assign the quiz to, okay, and now you can get the link for that particular class of that test, okay, and you can share this quiz link with your students. Now whenever you will share this link with your students will first of all join this product class, and then they would be able to take this class. Okay, if you don't want, like if you want to add students manually, there's also option. You need to go to my groups, you can select me my details of that group, okay, and here you can see the invite option. Okay, you can directly invite the students from here as well. This is invite link for the group, and the previously link we created, that is for test. Okay, you can also add students from here. You can type their emails and you can add students. So whenever you add students and whenever you assign the new quiz to the class, they will automatically get that quiz in their student dashboard. Okay, so whenever there will be new quiz or new test to a specific class, all students of that class would be automatically enrolled in that specific test or quiz. So you don't need to worry about anything. You just need to share the test link or group link with the new students so they can be joined in your group or can be enrolled in your test. So that is it, how you manage the quiz creation, the class creation and assignment of quizzes to the classes, and shareable links to your students on the social media. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. In the next video I will be covering how you can create the quizzes with the web pages, images and audios, and I would be happy to help on it. So have a good day. Thank you. Have a good day.